So Instagram rolled out a new feature this week called Reels. What are they and why should you consider using them for your business? Stay tuned to find out. But before we dive in, if you want to hit that subscribe button, that'd be great so you can stay updated on content just like this, or hit the bell so that you're notified every time one of our videos goes up. I'm Karen Terradas with Social U. I have 12 years of experience helping business owners just like yourself grow their business through social media. It worked for them and it can work for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, what are Reels? Reels is Instagram's attempt to compete with TikTok. That's exactly what it is. TikTok is taking a bunch of their traffic. They are trending. A lot of people are spending their time there. So this is how Instagram is going to compete with that. So what is it? It's a 15-second video clip that you load into your Instagram account through Stories, the Stories feature. However, it doesn't post on Stories, it posts in your actual news feed. Okay, that's a little bit different, but it's better because that way they last forever. They don't get lost. You can see them immediately in your news feed. And something that they've never offered before is the Explore feature. For those of you who don't know, to get on the Explore page for Instagram is a huge deal. You have to be trending, you have to be a verified account, you have to be a celebrity, you have to hold your mouth just right. It's very challenging to get featured on the Explore page. However, with the new Reels feature, they are making it accessible to everyone, just like TikTok, so that when you make your 15-second video or your series of 15-second videos, which will also be available, you can have two options. You can opt to post it to your feed, or you can also opt to post it in the Explore section, which allows it to be searched by the sound that you use, the hashtags that you use, and the topic that's used. What does that mean? It means just like TikTok, if you're on there and you see a video with a song that you like, you can click through and watch other videos with the same song, or you can follow a hashtag to other videos who have the same hashtag. The only catch is you have to have a public account. The Explore feature will not work for a private account. So if you do want to be featured in the Explore section, you will need to have a public account. It's pretty cool feature. I don't know if it's going to take off. We'll just have to wait and see. The neatest thing about it is the audio that's available. They have allowed business accounts now to use music behind their videos, so that will help long term with some of the creative, neat stuff that's available for you guys to be able to do, us too. I'm kind of excited. It's a new feature. It's only been out like 24 hours, so I'll be interested to see, kind of put my hands in it and play in it. But that's what it is. Reels is a 15-second video clip that allows you to, allows Instagram to compete with TikTok. So if you don't think TikTok is coming on strong, you might want to check it out. It's got some great content there. We'll be back with you next week to show you how to post on Reels. Today was more about what it is and why you might want to consider it. It's just to be put on the Explore page for consideration. That is one great reason to consider posting a Reel. All right, I want to know, have you guys tried Reels yet? If you've already tried it, let me know in the comments below. Today we talked about Instagram, but how's your Facebook doing? Is Facebook working for you? If you'll click the link below in the description, we have a quiz where you can find out if your Facebook page is working for you or against you. Take it and find out. Follow us on Facebook too if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching today. If you like this video, we have new videos that drop every Tuesday and Friday at 2 p.m. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, or check out my latest video on Facebook marketing, using Facebook Live as a marketing tool. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.